Solitaire Cache uses email verification for some account and support processes. So if the verification email never arrives, the first thing to check is whether you entered the same email address connected to your Solitaire Cache account. The quickest fix is to check your spam and junk folders, search your inbox for Solitaire Cache, and make sure the email address is typed correctly before requesting another verification message. If you're trying to verify your account, start by confirming the email address you entered during registration. Solitaire Cache support documentation says account-related emails can be sent to the address associated with your account, so using a different email can prevent the message from reaching you. Next, check every inbox folder, including spam, junk, promotions, updates, and trash. Search for Solitaire Cache or the sender address instead of relying only on the main inbox. If the message still isn't there, check whether your mailbox is full or whether your email provider is blocking automated messages. A full mailbox can prevent new messages from being delivered, while aggressive spam filtering can send legitimate verification emails somewhere other than your primary inbox. If you requested multiple verification emails, use the newest message rather than an older verification link or code. Older links or codes may no longer work once a newer request has been generated. There's another common issue if you're using an email address you no longer have access to. In that situation, repeatedly requesting another verification message won't solve the problem, because the message is still being sent to the account's existing email address. Instead, contact Solitaire Cache support through its official support request page. Explain that the verification email is not arriving, and provide the email address associated with the account. Include the exact error message if the app displays one. Don't send your password, payment information, or any verification code in a support request unless the official support process specifically asks for information through a secure form. So the main fixes are straightforward. Confirm the correct account email, check spam and other filtered folders, search your mailbox for Solitaire Cache, and use the newest verification message if you requested more than one. Your next step is to search every inbox folder for Solitaire Cache before requesting another email. If nothing arrives after checking the correct address in your mailbox settings, contact official Solitaire Cache support instead of creating a second account. If this fixed your verification problem, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.